PreCollege is Ringling's summer program. It's usually about a month long.
It's a good way to experiment and find what you're looking for.
It was a very transformative experience. It actually changed my life.
I knew that I wanted to go to Ringling for quite a long time. Having gone through PreCollege as well, that was probably one of the first instances where I was like, this is the place I want to be.
PreCollege is a way for students in high school to come experience Ringling and actually get to work with Ringling teachers. It's like really cool. I actually became a film major through PreCollege. I took a class in film and absolutely fell in love with it.
I remember being in their shoes, coming out of high school, not sure what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to do art. I want to be that mentor for them to see where they could go.
Coming to PreCollege, you get a sense of independence and the things that you can do. It has a great community and it makes me feel like I can be myself and I can be passionate about whatever I'm passionate about here.
The RAs do a great job at providing the students with extra activities outside of class.
There's always something to do.
I had come into Ringling PreCollege for computer animation. I actually decided to transfer into virtual reality. A year later, here I am at Ringling College for virtual reality.
You really get pushed out of your bubble. I got to explore things, I got to meet new people, and I've made connections and friends that have lasted years. I had one student in my first 2 weeks when I was teaching here. Holy shoot, like you're even better than me. I'm like mind blown.
I was sure that Ringling was the #1 school for me.
It's awesome to see an art school really want to make sure that you can be successful and have fun and do what you want to do for the rest of your life.